Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Chemistry Pass Question 4. A small quantity of solid ammonium chloride was heated gently in a test tube. The solid gradually disappeared to produce a mixture of two gases. Later, a white, cloudy deposit was observed on the collar part of the test tube. The ammonium chloride is said to have undergone A. Distillation, B. Sublimation, C. Precipitation, and D. Evaporation. Now, looking from this statement, you will observe that the ammonium chloride, when heat was applied, changes directly from the solid state into the gaseous state without passing through the liquid state, and this process is known as sublimation. Sublimation occurs when a substance changes directly from the solid state into the gaseous state without going through the liquid state. And that is what happened here. When heat was applied to the ammonium chloride, it changes directly into gas. Then it's cooled back to give the ammonium chloride again, and that is sublimation, which is option B. Distillation here is used to recover solvents from solution. When you have a mixture of solvent and solid and you want to recover back the solid, you use the solvent to use distillation. Then precipitation here is used to separate two solutes. When you have two solutes and one can easily precipitate, that is, form precipitates in a solution, that's when this precipitation is used. Then evaporation is used to obtain a soluble solute. It's used to obtain a soluble solute from a solution by removing the solvent completely through the application of heat. So the answer to this question is actually option B, sublimation, the changing of the substance from the solid state directly into a gaseous state without passing through the liquid state. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.